Hi, this is Sarah from Someday Sarah. Today I'm going to continue with part 4 of my How to Filet Crochet series. In this lesson, I will show you how to make a filet crochet starting from a chain row without making a border around your project. This can be useful for making bigger projects, simple projects, or incorporating filet crochet into clothing. Remember in part 2, I showed you the symbols for a chain and for a double crochet? In this diagram, I show you how the stitches will look in chart form and where each of the chain stitches land in the first row. As we did in part 2 of the series, we need to work out how many chain stitches we will need to begin. I will use the example of the letter S again. Each box is 3 stitches, and we will add 2 more open boxes on each end, so that is a total of 9 boxes, or 27 stitches. We need to add 1 more stitch to the left side of our project to close that box, so we will need 28 stitches. Because the next row has open boxes, we will have to add 4 more chains at the end, so that means 32 chain stitches. Once we have our chain, we need to turn back and close the first box. We have to count back and double crochet in the 8th stitch from the end. Now we continue to make open boxes. Each box is a double crochet and 2 chains. When I make filet crochet into a chain, I make my stitches using both the front loop and the back loop. When you use only one loop, it can easily stretch out of shape. You can see when I use back loop only, it makes a gap. To turn the corner to get up to the next row, we need to chain 4. This takes us up and across the first box. Make another row of open boxes. When we get to the corner, we need to find the third set of loops from our last stitch and make our last double crochet into them. Again, we will chain 4 to get up to the next row. After 2 open boxes, we begin to make our closed boxes to create the letter S. I will make a video showing how to begin filet crochet using a chainless foundation double crochet, and then I will make another one showing how to make different styles of closed boxes. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.